Ziggy.
Yeah, please don't do much fun was it during the. Hey everyone, this is Ritamra and you're watching me on Follow, and with me today we have the team of The Legend of Michael Mishra. First, tell us how was the film?
Film is damn good.
Wow!
Yeah, April.
It's a legendary film.
Oh, it's a damn good film. It's really nice. It's funny. It's romantic, and it's, as I say, the Desi rom-com, hardcore Desi rom-com based in Bihar, Patna.
Gayo, what do you have to say?
I think the film is wacky, energetic, out of this world, and legendary.
And so you.
I'm emotional after what they said. Really, I have no words left because he said wacky it really hit my
Wacky.
It touched me right
Whacked
there.
him.
Whacked him right.
Whacked him.
No, it is wacky. It is great and it's got a
Quirky. Quirky is the word.
and it's an airplane mode.
Yeah,
Say hi to
it's
my dog. Hi.
What's your dog's name?
His name is Ziggy.
Ziggy.
Hi,
Ziggy.
Ziggy.
Hi, Zeke. Hi, Zene. Hi, Maria. Okay. I'm sorry.
Ziggy came before Zeke. I'm very impressed.
Yeah, I know. I just realized.
I'm on. He's there.
okay.
Yeah.
Hi Ritamar, how are you?
Okay, so how difficult was it, considering that you all come from cosmopolitans, picking up on a Bihari accent for the film?
We didn't go that deep into the accent. So we kind of set things,
an
the essence of
a
the
flavor of it.
Yeah, so you can understand. But it was fun. It was great fun actually.
We actually had a speech
Dialogue coach.
And he sat and coached us for quite some time, especially Aditi, because she had to really catch it correctly. We just lag out one little accent and
We just managed with the talent. We're just good actors. We are fine. Aditi had to really struggle.
So, but could you say something for us in accent so that people get?
I want to say something about Arshad.
Yes.
2 days ago, he was really sick.
Sick.
He had he's sick as a human being. That's another story. But 2 days ago, he was really sick, and we were really worried about him, and we were just hoping that he would get well, and he's much better. And now we are hoping that he
It's
gets
sick again. देखिए 5 अगस्त को हमारी फिल्म आ रही है जिसका नाम है द लेजेंड ऑफ माइकल मिश्रा. देखिएगा, बहुत एंटरटेनिंग है, ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर है. That way.
so cute.
Thank you very much.
So you both especially have been friends for quite a long time now. So, is now when you're doing films, does it become easier for you to kind of just get that track?
Can I say something?
Please do.
Can I say something? I feel very bad talking like this because it feels like I'm talking behind your back.
Yeah, I know.
So you
Just
can-
like short.
no, that's the setup.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. Turn
So
down
maybe,
for the
no, maybe
Turn down
every
for
time
the-
you want to answer, we'll go here.
We'll come like this. Remember, it's
We talk and we go back.
You have to be, I feel you're talking behind your back.
But you're too tall. What to do?
That's the problem.
That's the problem,
Oh,
like.
okay.
So she talks to all tall people like this.
Yeah, like
Okay,
just
so-
look at me.
So you put a mirror here like this.
Over to you.
You know, see, I'll tell you what it is. Come on.
Yeah,
Okay. So I'll tell you how. When you're working, we are working. So we just completely transform into our job. So he becomes this character, I become my character, he becomes this character, and we do our job. And once you're off, your friend. So that friendship stays there, and it doesn't really come in the way of your work.
No, but does it help?
I don't think so. I think what helps is a good actor helps. Bad acting doesn't help. So if you're a good actor, it helps when you're acting with a good actor. But you're a bad actor, then it doesn't help. So no, I would say
No, but
it
if
helps
you're
because
good actors and you're not friends, I don't think that helps either. You gotta be,
Yeah, you gotta be friends,
gotta have
yeah.
a respect,
I guess
and you
so.
gotta have some kind of connection. But we're
This-
talking about bad acting, so it's okay.
yeah. So,
How was it for you working with your dad? I know you've said it plenty of times
Yes.
that there was professionalism, but
I haven't. No, it's very simple. The minute set starts, it becomes a professional environment. The minute we call cut and day's over, it becomes a father-son friendship environment. But along the way, he's always there as support. And I have to be very honest, on this film, Arshad sir has been that pillar of strength and that support. And it made life very easy. That's all.
his father is useless.
did you as a father often feel that, if whenever you
Often
were
fail?
often feel,
Oh.
I'm just recovered from a cold, can't you?
Oh, yeah, okay, good.
Gutters
We are
also.
6
Yeah.
people.
Karazam Sunai.
I know. No, so as a father, did you ever feel that, when he was doing a certain scene a certain way, that, maybe you should not do it that way, or, did that instinct?
I think the most scary thing is to go and give advice during a shot. If there's a lunch break and someone comes and asks me something, I said, yeah, why don't you try it like this? But I genuinely feel if things are going well, don't try and make it out the way you want it to be done. He's the actor, he is the professional. We can talk about acting on a broad sense separately, but it's the relationship between him and the director. The director could have told him to do something else. I should not interfere. But if it's really going south, then, which didn't
You know,
happen, then he can come to me.
Sorry to butt in, but he said something very profound, if I might say, to me. He said that when I asked him for an advice, he'd say, no, don't do it. I can't give you advice because you don't do it the way Baman Rani should do it. Do it the way Kayoze Rani should do it. Otherwise, just be the way I'm doing it through you, which will always seem not organic.
And it's not that we haven't discussed acting
Yeah.
on an umbrella in
Yeah.
a generic sense. We have to. There's a discipline of acting, there's a science to acting, there's an art to acting. Mix it together. But when it comes to specifics about a particular role, we can discuss it generally. But once you're in it, you do it. If you have a problem, you'll come to me. There weren't, thankfully, not many problems.
So if we talk about the poster that we see, I don't know if someone told it to you already, but there's a striking resemblance to the cover of Raman.
Is it?
Yes. Raman. if
Don't
you-
put us in another controversy.
No, I'm just asking. Was it intentional?
I don't know. I think the director would know that better. I think he must have had that
No,
feel.
I don't know. I don't think so. I really don't know. I really don't know.
No. So okay, so tell us something about each of your roles. Like, why should people?
I am the storyteller of the film. I am the Sutradhar. I have our dhaba. See,
No, I'm just.
I run a dhaba and I sit inside the dhaba waiting for passengers to come. And while they're having their food and snacks and tea and coffee, I tell them the great story which is akin to a legend, which it is. And then we cut back and forth through the
Yeah.
life and times of
Yeah.
the legend of Michael Mishra. And it's quite a wonderful way of making a narrative structure.
What about
I am, of course, the Michael Mishra.
Legendary.
The legendary Michael Mishra, who is a very intense guy, actually. He's a crazy chap. He kidnaps people. He's not exactly the right person that one should be. He's not all correct. But yes, he falls in love with the girl. He falls in love with to a level that he's willing to do anything for her. And he does. That's what I am.
So since Aditi is not your tellers, you might as well tell us some.
Aditi is playing a girl from Patna whose name is Varsa Sukla. She's a dreamer. She wants to be somebody. She has got lots of aspirations in life, and she's quite ambitious for a small town girl, and that's what she does. She chases those dreams, and she pretty much achieves that.
And about your character.
Well, I play an orphan in the film who gets. You want to do that again?
Okay.
I say this to okay. I play an orphan in the film who gets rescued by Michael Bhaiya, and after which I pledge allegiance to him, and no matter what he says, I will do. And that is the film that no matter I'm his right hand man, and if he wants something, I'll get it done. No questions asked.
Sometimes you become his right hand woman also. I think.
Yeah, he does. Yeah,
That's true. It's unfortunate but true.
he's a right-hand man and woman both.
Could you just give a message saying that Legend of Michael Mishra comes out in the
Okay, Legend of Michael Mishra comes out 5th of August. Please do watch it. It's a great film, lots of fun, entertainment, lots of love. Do watch it.